Hello everyone, welcome to MoBileMaThS with Gamchuran. Today I want us to look at inequalities. So I'll start with inequalities 1, where I'm looking at an introduction of inequality symbols. So first symbol that we have got this equal sign. This is our equal sign. We use it when we have things that are equal to each other. I can have, for example, 1 is equal to 1. They are equal. Okay. Then I can have number 2 not equal to. When something is not equal to, we use this cross sign. So this is not equal to. So I can also use an example of 1 where I can say 1 is not equal to a 2. Okay, then let's have another 3. Number 3, we can talk of this sign which is facing to the left, which is opening to the right. This one we call it less than. This is less than sign. So basically on the less than sign, we are looking at a number that is this side is going to be less than the number that is on the other side. Okay, so an example for this one, I can have 1 and 2 there. I can say 1 is less than 2, like that. Okay, then let's move on and have another example. We have got another one which is opening on the right, and this one we call it greater than. Okay, this is the greater sign. So I can rewrite it's opening. On this case, it's opening on the left, and we are saying it is going to be greater than the number that is that side. I can use the same numbers 1 and 2. This time I can say 2 is greater than 1. Okay, like that. Let's move on. We can have a scenario whereby we have numbers that are equal to each other, but less than. Okay, so we use this sign, less than but equal to each other. This one we call it less or equal to. This is less or equal to sign. Okay, an example, I can say x is less or equal to 5, meaning to say the number of x are going to start from 5 going down, which will be 4, 3, and so on, going down, but 5 is included because of this sign, which is the equal to part there. Okay, then number 6, we can have greater or equal to. It's facing on the same side that our greater than sign is facing. Okay, this one is greater or equal to sign. I can use again the example of x there and say x is greater or equal to 5. So this time around the numbers will start at 5, but will be going greater. We have 6, 7, 8, and so on. They are increasing. Okay, now let's have an example of this exercise. Rewrite the following using inequality symbols. Okay, I've got -1 is greater than -5. So I'll write my -1. -1, we are saying is greater than, that's the greater than sign, -5. Even if we are to check on a number line of 0, 1, 2, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, you find out on this number line there that I've drawn, our 5 is here and our -1 is here. So going on our x-axis there, our -1 is greater than -5. Let's move on to the next one. The next one is saying -3 is less than. So we can say -3 is less than +3. Okay, this also makes sense even if I use this number line here. This is my 3, and you find out we have this is +3 there and -3 is here. -3 is less than that number there. Okay, let's go on to number 3. Number 3, we are saying the number of goals n was 5 or more. So when we say 5, or we are going to use n instead of x this time around. So we are saying the number of goals n was 5 or more. So we are saying n is going to be 5, that's the equal sign, or more, that's the 5 there. The equal sign is including the number 5 there. The more is the greater sign that we have, where our sign is greater on the n side. Okay, so the numbers that n will take are 5, 6, 7, and so on. Okay, let's go to number 4. It's saying the temperature T, we are using T degrees, was not greater than 88 degrees, so it was less than 88. So you simply say T is less than 88 degrees. So the number of the temperature there will be 87, 86, 85, and so on degrees. Okay, that's the numbers there. Let's go on to the last one. Each cow, they are saying each cow needs at least 100 m squared of grazing land. Okay, so I can even use C for cow there. So we are saying C, each cow needs at least, it means we are including 100 there and more. So our C is going to be greater or equal to 100 meters squared. Okay, meaning to say our C, the grazing land, is 100 m squared, or 101 m squared, 200 m squared, and so on. So that's how we use these signs in inequalities. Okay guys, bye bye. Let's meet in the next video.